Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to blur the background or part of a image on Galaxy Z Flip 7. So at first take a image. So at first open your settings, press on Galaxy Eye, Photo Assist, make sure to turn on this option. Click on and make sure turn on. Overall setup. Okay, and open photo gallery and take a photo. Press on pin option, click on the blur effect, select the brush, increase or decrease brush size, and showing it to blur effect, and select blur effect. Okay, overall setup, and easily blur this part. Okay, press on save. So that's it.